Coach, thank you very much for your time. Your thoughts about the game?
Thank you very much. I think we had a very controlled first half with very few opportunities given to the opponents, only breaking away with counter-attacks, and we were unfortunate not to get anything out of them. And second half, they got a very quick goal, which I believe was due to our bad defending, because we had a numerical advantage in the box, but one player that was the shortest in the box is the one who scored the goal. But thanks to Santos van Heerden for the goal he scored. Maybe he could have scored another one from a set piece with Ndowazo. But we were unfortunate in some instances. But to be honest, I think they got more chances than us. And we were a bit fortunate on the day not to concede from those situations, because they looked very dangerous, more especially from their right-hand side with Isaacs. But I believe the team has improved a bit from where it was. And the group that was here fought very hard. And it's encouraging to see them trying to build themselves up again, because it was not easy playing away against windy conditions, but we managed to stand our ground, and I believe they really competed.
For you as the coach of this team, since taking over, what has been your biggest challenge?
Not many challenges as such. The fact that maybe we did not have some of our players that we could have started the season with, Mark being outside, Tumsani being outside, Carlington, Ramsden being outside, and also the loss when we lost Mokoro and Andile in the beginning stages of the season. Those were all the situations that made it difficult for us, because those are key players, all of them. I'm mentioning players that should be in the starting 11, but now that everybody is slowly coming back, it's looking good, and we still have Tangeni Shipau from Namibia, whom we are hoping that is going to be in the team for the next coming match. And hopefully with all those players coming in, we will obviously be a stronger force, but obviously we have to work harder on our defensive behavior.
Coach Mngqithi, as always, thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot.
Brilliant, Coach Mngqithi of Amazon. Let me just give you an update regards the injury to Belex Kasonga. He walked past me in the tunnel here and he told me it's a twisted ankle.